Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and network. This ensures clear audio and stable calls. Once done, install and allow the Five9 Softphone app because permissions let it access mic and speakers. Log in using your corporate SSO credentials, then set your presence to available so the system can route calls to you. Make sure to test audio in settings, adjust input/output levels, and save preferences. This prevents call. Now you'll learn the core call workflow that keeps you efficient. You use the dial pad or contact list to place outbound calls. Once connected, use mute to pause audio and hold when you need external info. For transfers, decide between blind or consult transfers. Consult first when you need a warm handoff. Once done, use the wrap-up timer to complete notes. Make sure to watch call disposition fields. They feed reporting and improve future routing decisions. Finish each shift by signing out and closing the Softphone cleanly so sessions don't linger. Once done, save call logs and upload any required notes to CRM to maintain records. If you change devices or permissions, restart the app and retest microphone, speaker, and presence. If calls drop or you lose audio, restart the Softphone, then your computer. If problems persist, switch to a wired network. This simple step resolves most packet loss issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.